Hola, bienvenidos amigos. Hello and welcome friends. Steve here, Street Smart Travel, coming at you from Peterborough this week. And this is normally the weekend where I would release a full-length Feelgood Friday video. But last week I was out running around doing renovations to one of my properties in a city a couple hours away and ran out of time. So rather than try to put something together last minute, I decided today I'll just do a brief check-in, give a bit of a channel orientation, tell you what's going on. Definitely say welcome to the new subscribers. Picked up a bunch of new subs. Thank you for signing up. Please keep sharing the videos. Please keep turning people onto this content. This content basically is a resource that I wish had existed when I got out on the road and started traveling 3.5 years ago. And because it didn't exist, or I couldn't find it if it did, I decided to put together my own resource. Now that is organized into a bunch of different playlists on the channel. So I have Feelgood Fridays, which is a playlist of positive and inspiring stories of life on the road. I have monthly breakdowns of my budget. I also do volunteering, information and updates, retirement videos. I've got a series called Living Walden, where I take the lessons from Henry David Thoreau's Walden and apply them to my life on the road to live a more simple, intentional, purpose-driven life and focus on what's important to me as opposed to being on the hamster wheel and constantly chasing this dream of more. Always striving and never arriving, as Abraham Maslow would say. So travel is basically the laboratory where I try different experiments from Walden, from real life, from whatever. And the real focus is to build a flexible, intentional life with more freedom, simplicity, and optionality. Now, if you're not looking at getting out on the road, you might think, well, that's not really applicable to my situation, but who doesn't want more freedom, more simplicity and optionality in their lives, regardless of whether you're on the road or not? Any comments or questions, please drop them below. This week, I will be releasing another on-the-ground video. So the on-the-ground series, 5 to 8 minute videos that usually answer a specific question or address a specific issue about life in the developing world. I have 3 different topics under that umbrella right now. 1 is volunteering. 2 is bus safety, so staying safe while you're traveling in the developing world. And 3, I'm building out the on-the-ground scams series. There's a lot of scams in the developing world. They're always out to make a buck. They don't want to hurt you. They just want your money. But if you know what to look for, you can avoid them. And if you get trapped in them, you can shut them down. And if you end up getting scammed, you sometimes have recourse to unwind the scam. Now, I've been in all of those situations over the years, traveling through Central and South America and Southeast Asia. So I got a lot of tips to pass along so that people don't have to go through some of the stuff that I have gone through. That's pretty much it. This week, that video will be coming out, and then next weekend I will have the Feel Good Friday story. I have it scripted, it's ready to go. Like I said, I just had other priorities this week. So look for that next weekend. Any comments or questions, please drop them below. Happy to help out anybody. If you want to DM me instead, I'll leave contact information in the description. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Happy trails. See you out on the ground next weekend.